Shoulder toe. All right, I'm just gonna wait for this to go black. Like it does, it'll go black and then I'm on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go, nice and black.
You want me to put the potatoes on?
Yeah. All right, kia ora koutou. Anō. Look, you know how I've got my little gadgety thing that it follows me? I had it going and then it ran out of juice. What the F? Anywho, today, that's what we're doing. We're doing lamb loin chops. And just so you know, I've just spent half an hour cleaning my bloomin' Barbie because I haven't used it in a while. And the heat, when I have my cover over it, and the heat made it moldy as a mofo. So I've just spent the last 20 minutes preparing to get ready. I'm out in the te taiao, so I'm out in the weather. I'm just gonna brave it. We'll see how this sucker goes. All right, so today I'm not using one of my rubs today. His wifey asked me, said to me, I think I might just want to enjoy the flavour of lamb. And I thought, hell, why not? So that's what we're doing today. Just lamb, no different flavour, no Rambo, no porktopia. I'm just going to do it in this. So oil these bad boys up. Why am I tai-ho? So oil them up. Salt them. Don't know if I want to use... Nah, not going to use pepper steak. So I'm just going to salt them up. Oil them up. Barbie is on, ready to go. This is going to be a quick one, but then we'll go inside. And then I'll be able to plug you into my... There we go. All right. It's going to be nice and quick and delicious. So I've got it on a low heat today because I just want it to... I want it to cook through. I don't want it to cook too fast. There we go. Got a tea towel. Hey, hopai. I think we're coming down to Gizzy soon. Well, wifey is. She's got an iwi hui and I usually tag along. So, we just came from Mahia not long ago either, so kia ora. Put that over there. So, I'm braving the weather today. It's been on and off, raining, sunny, windy. Today, fingers crossed, it stays like this. So let's just settle down. Hey Bruno, good win by the Canes yesterday. Thank you very much. Put 50 on them. So I'll close this up, let it do its thing, and then flip them over. So we did a chat GTP, whatever it is, to see what to have with this, with the lamb chops. So remember I was saying to you I wanted to do the brisket chops. That's brisket on the bone. Looks good. Good thickness, but when I went to go buy them, when I went to go buy them there was none there, so... People had the same idea. And I did get how to cook them, but I don't it'll go now. So you'll have to come back. I'm going to get them for next week. You have to come back and tell me how to cook them, because I don't know whether we're going to do the displaced heat, I'll call it. I don't know what it's called. It's when the heat, you use the outside bars to cook it. Here. Our boy's up with this and he's on the hunt. But these lamb chops, so this is what we're eating with them. So lamb chops, mashed potatoes, broccoli and carrot. It reckons that's the best. You too, Bruno. Have a good one. So that's our kai for tonight. Oh, did I tell you? So at that wedding that we went to, and just there was a bit of confusion some places. It wasn't mine and Mal's wedding. It was a friend of ours' wedding. And the theme was blue and everything was fine. Wifey got her fingernails done at the local fingernail place. Whiskey, here! Now she's trying to take it off, and she was using nail polish remover. That didn't work. Then she used, so nail polish remover is isotone watered down. Then she started using, we had to go get some more from Chemist Warehouse, which is just straight isotone. That sucker there isn't working. So she's had to go, Ollie, is that all you got? It's not even a waste of time answering. So then she's gone down to where she got her nails put on, and she's going to get them to remove them because it's a bright blue. In the profession she's in, she can't exactly go around with big bright blue nail polish. So she's gone down to have that removed. Yeah. I'm going to keep that going for a bit. Well, I haven't left my old work yet, Bruno, so I've got another 3 weeks left, and then, yeah, probably will. What's for dinner is lamb, what is it? Lamb. I'll tell you what it is. Hold on. New Zealand lamb loin chops. Mashed potatoes, some broccoli and carrots. How? Dylan Graham, that's a great question. And it's a question I cannot answer. Ngā mihi te aroha, I just didn't have the energy. It was the way the question was asked. Cheers, Daytona. So, I really let these cook right through. This is just my style. I'll cook one side, cook the other, then recook it again, and then let them sit, and they should cook through. My biggest challenge for today, when you get that tattoo, I got him 2024, just before my 50th birthday. So that would have been June? Late June. Put another shrimp on the barbie, mate. You got to finish it with mate. Put another shrimp on the barbie, mate. And then I know where you're coming from, Karen. But these lamb chops, they don't take long. Oh, kia ora te aroha. It's the genes, the Māori genes. Ngā mihi nui. But no, yeah, I'm 52 this year. It's my wife's 50th birthday this year. In June. Oh, sorry. July. Too much, Erickson. Too much. Yeah, so it's my wife's birthday in July. It's her 50th. And we're doing a double banger. So there's a guy that she used to work with, Malcolm, at PDS. So he didn't really want his birthday. Yes, Karen, we're throwing a bash. What we're going to do here is we'll do all our place up. I'm going to drop a hangi, and then I'm going to set up the garage. So if it gets cold out here, because we'll put out some fire pits and that, if it gets cold, we'll take everyone inside. But hangi time is on. So we just got to get our son to go get some more meat, some decent sized meat too. If you could smell this, oh my gosh. Whiskey, here. Yeah, good boy, stay here. You don't need to go wandering. So wifey's put the potatoes on. I will go in after this is done, and stay with me. Stay with me, people, because I'll show you, and you can tell me if I'm doing my mashed potatoes right. I believe I am. Mashed potatoes aren't that hard to do. However, the mashed potatoes that I do, it's a simple one. Butter, always got to be butter. Butter, milk, mash them, good to go. I don't add salt. I don't add anything else. You can see if I'm doing it right. I think I am, because no, kumara, not today. No. Oh, te aroha, simple, eh? Just simple. And simple works. Yeah, I have had it with cream before, but I'm a lot of butter. Yeah, that's me too. Has to be a good bit of butter. I've had it with cream. Not my thing. I get a sore gut from it. Hey, come on, Stacey. Just enjoying the lamb. We're all enjoying the lamb, Stacey. Yeah, so I really had to give this. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I do too. And so, obviously, how you know any Rasta Māori? Do I know any Rasta Māori? What do you mean, like music or people? Barbecue all day, Steezy. All right, do one more flip. Did I do that one? I think I did. Oh man, these smell delicious. Okay, one more flip. We'll put it in, we'll close it, we'll do our thing. Dreadlock Māori people. Oh, yeah, everyone knows dreadlock Māori people. Cheers, Mason. We're cooking lamb loin chops. Right. Tell you, everyone who says that, if you guys were around Tamaki, I would seriously invite you over, come and have a kai. We always make too much kai. I'm going to say this, and it's not racist, but it's the Māori in us. We always cook too much. And the cool thing is, like, I'm not a seconds guy. I don't eat seconds, but our kids do. So there's lunch, breakfast, whatever it is, ready to go. So, yeah. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right. I'm guessing, because what I'm going to do is this. I finished the barbie. But I'll finish here, take it into the kitchen. Yeah, Mason, it is. But I'll take it into the kitchen, put it in the oven and just really low heat. And then, actually, I could just leave it out here, eh? If I leave it out here, and just have one side on. I think I could do. Jeez, that is hot, people. Hot. The address is West Auckland. Yay, that's hot, man. Actually. Oh, T-tail's on my shoulder. Come on, bro. Let's work it out. I was thinking to myself, why is it so hot? So I will, let's take this off. Come with me. All right. Yeah. You're not kidding. You're not kidding me. It was the oil from the barbie that was burning me. All right, let's get this sorted. So wifey's put on the potatoes. Let's get this thing going again. Okay, I'm just going to put you onto my little friend. Let's get the camera going. Ha! There we go. Okay. Let's put you in there. So, potatoes are going. That's cool. Mumsy's got the potatoes going. Warriors are on soon, eh? So Warriors are coming up soon. Hold on, let me just stop this. Stop. Cream power. No, it's good. What's this cream power on top? Stop it. I wish we had cream power. Let me just sort this out. I just got to grab my gear from out here. All right. Aroha mai. I just wanted to grab all this gear. So this is what I was using before because I ran out. It's easy. It's a beautiful home. Let's just say we pay for a beautiful home though. Alrighty, let's go. All my lights are on. Okay, all lights are on. So, broccoli and carrot. I hope like too much, Eric. What time do you want to come up? 2 hours away from me. Bruno! Always willing to come over, brother. Just got to organise it with wifey. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome to come for dinner. All right. So, real butter and this milk. So, I'm thinking because we've got older, I've gone to this, the light blue, because the dark blue, mate, it just plays with my stomach, that sucker. Absolutely yuck. So, what else? So all I'm doing is I'm waiting for the mashed potatoes. I'll come for dinner too. Yeah. What dessert would you bring? And if you say the right one, come on over, brother. Come on over. Kia ora, Sarah. Tēnā koe. Have you ever tried a government burger? What the hell's a government burger? Oh man, Mason, no. No, not pavlova. Apple crumble, brother. Apple crumble. What's on the menu today? Lamb loin chops. Oh, nice, Bruno. Lamb loin chops, broccoli, carrots, and mashed potatoes. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Happy Sunday to you. Let's go cuckoo kachoo. Oh, looks like my kids have been washing my dishes. Shockers. Sorry, I've just got to clean this bad boy out. Yeah, the kids decided that washing this, that was the first thing that popped into my head. Pie on them, pie on them. Okay. Get the broccoli going. I believe the broccoli is now. I'm going to do some carrots too. Come on, stay on. Cool. All right, broccoli and carrots are going. I just have to check. Oh damn, those things are still rock hard. The it's a nice KitchenAid. And Mumsy got us this. Hey! And Mumsy got us this double. She's always wanted a double fridge, so now we've got a double fridge. Thank you, Sarah. That was cool. I like those little things. I don't know what they do, but I appreciate you being on here with me and doing it. Who watched the Ruggers last night? I tell you what, I'm from Wellington. I'm an Upper Hutt guy. 50108 all day. And it was good to see the Warriors, the Canes come out. The Canes came out to play. Unfortunately, the Chiefs, last week was your guys' final. Yeah. Yes, Sarah, they did. It was a beautiful one too. They put 60 points on them. Crazy. But the and then I watched. So let's go. Nice, nice, Emma. Can you make us some waffles? Ooh. I would like to try waffles. Can you do waffles without a waffle baker? Like, can you do them in the frying pan? No, yeah. Like, will that make them waffles or pancakes? I don't know. So, I spent 4 years in Netherlands coaching rugby. And we had, while we were there, because that's like the waffle capital of the world. I was hoping you could bring some treats. 5 minutes to mayhem. Where's your studio, brother? We'll bring you some treats. But they're the waffle capital of the world. And I had one waffle when I was over there. What'd they call it? A stroop waffle. And yeah, not my thing. Pancakes are my thing. Absolutely love pancakes. But stroop waffle? No thank you. Taiho, I just want to... How do you get into this? Alexa, open...
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Let me finish. Alexa, open browser. That's what I'm after.
That video service is not yet available on this device. To browse other services, just ask me to open video on the screen.
Yeah. Shut up, Alexa. Ngāmihi, keeping it real. Well, that was a cool one, keeping it real. I like that one. Well, I'm just waiting. Damn it! I was trying to get the timing right because I didn't realise those lamb chops were going to just cook so quickly. So here's the other thing. So like I said, we went to a wedding in the weekend. Fantastic. So good to actually not have to do anything at the wedding and just enjoy it. Really enjoyed that part. Mumsy and one of her work colleagues are going to have their 50th birthday here next in July, second week of July. So that's going to be... We haven't hosted anything here since we've been here. And we've been here a year and a half now. Beautiful place to host. It's going to be a beautiful place to host in the summer. But winter's going to be okay because we've still got heaps of room. Now I've got to do a hangi this time because... I'm going to tell you this. They will come quick. They're waiting. Yes, they will. But I'm going to tell you this about this hangi. So we bought a hangi kit. It came with a tray, rocks, and the sacks. It was awesome. So I thought. Never done a hangi before. Dropped it, put the wood in, rocks on top, let it heat the rocks up. And I was sitting there and I heard this bang. I was like, whoa, that wood must have like something in it. There's bang, 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 bang. And like things were flying past me. I was like, holy moly, this thing is dangerous. And I thought to myself, this isn't how I usually, because I haven't done a hangi, but I've been around hangi. I was thinking to myself, this isn't how hangi usually go. Like whatever's flying past us, I thought it was nails, just stuff coming out like that. You have tats on your face. Yeah, cool. That's double R, that's you're observant. Mason, the rocks were exploding. So the rocks they gave us weren't hangi rocks. They were actual rocks. I read about them after the fact, that they hold all this water inside them. The water steams up and then explodes. These were projectiles. These were stones exploding. Flower, I know. It's, wow. He's got a good eyes. But these rocks were just, and I was like, holy moly. So we actually emailed the people, or messaged the people on Facebook, because that's where we got them. Yeah. Double R. Māori do. In fact, heaps of people do. There's people around the world who have words in that over their mata. Come on, bro. What do you mean, who does that? That's a weird one. Anyway, yeah, it was river rocks. No good for hangi. No, you need the volcanic rock, because the volcanic rock, and now my brain was exploding when I found out, it's full of iron. So obviously when the iron heats up, it keeps it warm for a long time. So yeah, so where we are along the road, there's a whole lot of volcanic rock. Yeah, Mason, it was crazy. Well, we had to email the people, message the people and say, look, you can't do the packs, fair call. Yeah, railway tracks, I mean, you just got to get them, that's all. But you can't sell those packs with those rocks in it, because people who don't know could actually get hurt. Because there was a couple of times they flew past my face. I was like, damn, that thing was, whatever that was going at a hell of a pace. I was like, so I started like covering myself when I was going in. So I'm hoping that they actually have changed it to where they either get in the right rocks or not putting those in, because that would be, it was scary once my brain realized, because obviously, yeah, exactly. Someone will get hurt. And I thought to myself, it was so early in the morning. I had never done one before, a hangi. And because it's so early in the morning, I was like, okay, my brain wasn't switched on to what was actually happening. It wasn't until I took all the ashes out and then I seen the rocks and they were in pieces. I was like, these things have exploded all over the place. They've just cracked into, I was like, oh, I'm lucky I didn't get hurt. But yeah, I hope that they're not doing that. Anywho, I move on and we carry on. So I do apologize because I'm waiting to do, oh, okay. My mashed potatoes are ready to go. What do you think about the pot hangi? Dayton, I've never tried one. And for me, I think it's cool if you're going to do a lot of it in mass. The only thing about the difference between the hangi in the ground and the pot hangi is the taste for me. You can, for me, I don't know, I can't say it for others, but for me, the flavour is, I a lot more earthy. Ah, Kevin, that's the kind of question I like to hear. So I do, it's because it's along my jawline, etc. It is for, I was learning my reo when I got my matora. And then one side is my whānau and the other side is my little whānau that we have here. Kia ora, V, thank you. And that's what the pūrākau is of this matora. So those are the kind of questions I love. Because they mean a lot. Because you've actually asked a decent question. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry. Just trying to find. Ah! Okay. So obviously I don't have a lot of potatoes in here because we don't have a big family. Thank you. Yeah, it's moko or mataora. There's a noise like someone's phone's vibrating. Kia ora, riders. So we are in Auckland, West Auckland. And the purpose of my page is we do meat rubs. And that's why I started this page. So barbecuing whenever I can and making sure I'm doing kai for the first time. So this is for you riders, I'm not a cooker. I never have been, and this may sound terrible. My mum cooked for me all my life. Oh, Tora. Okay, you feel okay? You feel better now? Yeah, Mason, kia ora. But my mum cooked for me all my life. And I never learnt how to cook. No, we just sell off the website now. So we used to go to supermarkets, but it just wasn't, not saying it wasn't profitable, we still made, but the amount of work and cost that went into it was just easier not to. Oh, Tora, you okay? The thing is, Tora, and I know this for a fact, and I 100% know this for a fact, there is no way you'd come up to me, up to my face and say it to my face. I know 100% you're one of those ones that sits behind your keyboard tough. Yes, writers, I do. MeatHeads.nz. That's our website. Oh! Ngā mihi. Hey! Damn it, I don't have it here. There's been three people that have purchased, keyboard warriors, hard out. Oh, Spice, I've got one of those ones that follows you. And I can stop it there. Stop. There we go. But so thank you to the three who just ordered from the website. Didn't order the packs, just ordered 10 of Spud Head, and then another person ordered 10 of Game On, and then another one did 4 off Game On. I'm like, that is crazy. I mean, crazy because I just think it's awesome. And I thank you very much, because winter is an extremely slow period for all spice makers. I would recommend Porktopia if you like heat. If you don't like heat, then I would recommend Spud Head. Yeah, Those are my 2 full recommendations. Yeah. It's, yeah. Anywho. Mashed potatoes are done. Creamy as hell. So, next one. Spud head and the Tex-Mex. Thank you, Emma. Ah! Hold on, sorry. Come with me, come with me. Hey! Alright, I think they're ready. How do you know when carrots are ready? Because you can eat carrots raw, so it doesn't matter if they're ready. Let's go. Let's plate up. That lid is hot. Just so you know, just in case you didn't realise, 2, 4. Just in case you didn't realise, that lid is hot. So we've got. So I think Nikai's got her friend with us. So let's go. Look at that. Can you see it? So Mumsy told me how to serve out. I'm a terrible, I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to food. But I've started to learn how to get the portions right. Because I was really bad at it. But sometimes I had one plate that was just absolutely chocker. And the other times, there was literally nothing on them. Okay. That's hot. Alright. Damn, this is going to be my first meal. Oh, that's too much. First meal with heaps of colour. Nikai, is your friend staying for dinner?
Yeah.
Alright. It's almost ready. Yeah! So, heaps of colour in this bad boy. Damn, that's hot. Sorry, I'm not seeing if there's been any partai or anything, but I am, as you can see, concentrating. If I give so, and then I give this to my wife because my wife loves her veggies. All right, and now for the piece de resistance. Is that what it's called? It is dinner, Nate. I don't even know if I had that on. Oh well, it's good enough. It's good enough. Okay. Yeah, we have dinner really early. So, Tristan, we have dinner early, so then you can eat, and then later on, you can have yourself a, not midnight snack, but a snack. We've always had them early, though. Just the way it is. Give that to wifey. Give that there. That there. Oh yeah, that's good. Is that hot? No, that's not hot. Cool. All right, come down. Same, I try to have dinner before. Yeah, flour, we're the same. So we always have dinner during the week. We finish at 5, we'll have dinner by 6. I don't know why, but we have dinner at 6, settles our tummy. I'll go for a run later on. With your skinless sausages. I did. Mason, I did put eggs in them. For some reason, I think someone said it, put eggs. So it went skinless, eggs, crumbs, and then it stayed on. Oh, delicious. But this is it. This is the, look at that. It looks professional. So obviously that's mine. I had a bit of a feed this afternoon as well. Black, oh, hold on. Yeah, yes. Mason, it doesn't matter what it looks like, it's the taste to me. And if it was delicious, let's go. But just feel there's something missing, but I don't know what it is. Oh well. Anywho, that's our... Wifey's not here. She's gone down to do her... nails. So if you want to come with gravy. Gravy, that's what's missing. I knew there was something. I could just feel it. Thank you, flour. Okay. What do I look for? What am I looking for? Lamb shanks. No, seafood. What's this one? Onion soup. Damn it. I don't know what to do with the gravy. White sauce, onion soup. Yeah, there's onion soup in there. Oh no, there's onion soup. Use onion soup as a gravy. Oh, let's see, hold on. Okay, hold on, I want to see if anyone said onion soup. Onion soup, flour, done. Please stop. No, I like onion soup with flour because I've got that. Flour. Onion soup. Let's go. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. And I'm guessing onion soup, bit of water, the whole lot. Obviously in a bowl. Ha-ha! Okay, let's go. Damn, that's lucky. Okay, let's just go whole lot of onion soup. Okay, stop. Oh, no, hold on. Let me see what you're saying. Onion soup, boiling water, and corn flour, slurry, salt, pepper. Even a small pot. I'm just guessing. I don't know that we've got corn flour. Oh, no. custard flour. Anywho, let's just get this done. Let's just get it done. Okay, I need to move this stuff since... Okay, stock cuber. I don't know. Let's go. I'm gonna put a little bit in. I think that's a little bit. Stir that up. That's actually almost... Oh, okay. That is almost... That's looking like a gravy already. Oops. Okay, now it's not. Damn it. I was gonna... You can't afterpay. Oh, you can afterpay. Yes, you can. We just thought we'd make it easier for people too. The flour will make it thick. Okay, cool. Is that enough then? Or am I going to put some more in? Because I don't know if that's going to be enough gravy. Add a bit of flour. Okay. It's just... How do I know if that's flour? Oh, that's flour. Oh. Okay, here we go. A little bit of flour. Mumsy is going to be impressed. Thank you for reminding me of the what is this stuff? Gravy. I was just looking, going, what is going on? I put in half a tablespoon of flour. Ko.
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
No, dinner's ready.
Or is this like the chops we did at thing?
You can choose one of those ones. That should work. Okay, try that. See if that is alright. Just use your finger.
Do not put any on.
It's onion soup. But it's gravy onion soup.
No thanks, man.
Ngā mihi riders. Alright. I'm going in with the onion soups in it. Cool. Alright, let's unplug you. You guys come with me and I'm going to show you, because I'm done. Mumsy's out getting her nails done. So, let's eat and let's rate how this bad boy went. And yes, I've only got a little bit, but I did have a big lunch and I don't know why I did that. Look at that. Stop it! Okay. Oops. What's up?
Sink is
Blocked?
got no bloody thing in it. No food thing.
All three to go. Amazing, cooked, beautiful. Definitely that one. Reka is. Thank you for joining me. I'm glad I'm back. I've got to do this more. And I'm going to start using my rubs more, so you can see what you can do with it. Emma Dilemma, you are awesome. Thank you for using my rubs and showing me what else I can use them for. Tēnā koe flour, much appreciated. Mason, I'm glad I got that gravy sorted. Yes, Mason, it's glad to see you back as well. So, ngā mihi nui, that's me, done. I'm going to finish this up and then wait for wifey to get back. Emma Dilemma, I've been watching your videos hard out. You are going handy. I think to myself, man, some of the kai you make, I'm like, man, that looks easy. Next minute. All right. Yeah, you're still awesome. Ngā mihi nui, ka kite, and I will see you, kia ora Natty, I will see you possibly tomorrow. Okay, ka kite.